Acropolis Museum. Hey, we're a little hungry. We're gonna have breakfast. We're gonna have some eggs, spinach, croissant, cheese croissant. There's all types of croissants here. I do not know what those are. And there's chocolate croissants. I got one. Chocolate croissants. The sign says Acropolis Museum. Come on, let's go. We just got to the Acropolis Museum and we're gonna learn about ancient Greek history. Let's go, come with me. Let's go learn. There's a hole under the ground, under the glass. Come here, guys. Whoa! Guys, look at this. Let's go. I'm gonna go in. What do you do? We just finished seeing the Acropolis Museum. They didn't allow video, but here they did. We saw a sculpture of Athena, and Athens was named after Athena. We saw sculptures of Zeus, and Zeus is the best. He has a lightning bolt. And he saves people. In the afternoon, we're going over there. We have a tour guide who's gonna tell us all about the Acropolis. Oh! Hi, can I have a chicken Cheeto?
Of course, why not? Want everything inside?
No, no lettuce and no tomatoes.
So, tzatziki, fries, and meat?
Yeah.
All of you? Okay? Oh.
Fries me.
Where are you coming from, bro?
America.
America.
That's really far away.
There you are.
What?
Fine. Oh, goodness. We go back to the stage, give it for the stage. Pull up the paper and start biting. Like a tortilla.
Here you are. Hello, hello. So I'm Anna and you are?
Parker.
Parker? Reston. And you are going to tell me everything about the Greek gods.
Yeah.
You learned everything. I imagine you've studied already and you've revised in the museum. So I'm going to ask you on the Acropolis and you'll tell me all the stories. Yeah? Yes.
Where's the Temple of Zeus?
The Temple of Zeus is at the other side. We'll see it as soon as we go up to the top. I'll show you the Temple of Zeus.
Preston, come see the set that we saw in the museum. Saw that in the museum. Yeah. Preston, say Greece. Greece. Say Greece. Greece. Hey, hi, do you mind if you take a picture of us?
But of course. 1, 2, 3, say Greece.
Greece.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
We're a little hungry after walking the Acropolis, and we got my second favorite thing. And it's kind of rainy, so I don't want my corn in the cob wet. Oh, this is yummy. This is streaming good. Why don't you take a bite of this? Isn't it good? I can't believe how good this tastes. The circle with the line in it is pronounced as a TH. Whoa, that's a line. looks yummy in this too. We're about to have fried feta cheese. Ooh, this looks good. Thank you. Yum. This stuff is amazing. I'm having zucchini fries with a yummy. Me too. Half for me and half for my brother. I'm happy that we got yummy food. We got to go to the Acropolis. To the real Acropolis. Got to take a nap that was so good. And my last positive is the guy told us how to say thank you in Greek. How do you say thank you in Greek?
Ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ.
Before I stop.
Yes. Ευχαριστώ. Παρακαλώ.
And then we came to this yummy dinner place and ate dinner. And we're sitting here having dinner all together. That's it.